I've always relied on instinct or intuition and the initial emotion or the initial feeling or the initial spark or idea that might come from a character or any character in a screenplay. Reading through the first time, normally what I do is if I can get past 10, 15 pages, it's all right. If I can't, there's just nothing. It's just air. It's like drinking air. But when something in the character puts a barb or a hook in you on some emotional level that you can relate to, or that you feel you could add to. So it's almost, basically, I choose the characters that I believe that I might have something unique to add to that particular character, because they either fascinate me, the mind, or they dive inside your heart, you know. But they're all strangely intertwined, even, you know, from the worst, the nastiest, to Edward Scissorhands. There is some sort of monofilament that holds them all together, which is yeah, somewhere in the background, I guess, me behind the curtain. You know? Like I was saying earlier, sometimes you see a section of film or a couple of photographs of characters that you've played, and you see like 4 or 5 there, and you go, my God, how? They should have fired me a long time ago. Long time ago. Yeah, I consider myself very lucky.